Harmony. Okay. So, nako diri karon ay kay maghatag og 4,000 para palit og solar. Solar kanang ikuan. Okay. 4,000 ngayon mo palit ka karon. Pwede nimo mataod para ma-videohan. Nya ni Teacher Gretchen ay mo ari siguro. Okay. And that is from Ichangunim. Okay. Okay, 감사합니다. Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Mariel.
안녕하세요.
So, Mariel, Gigom Dorinim, Gigom Dori Timjangnim gives you your allowance. 2,000 pesos, please receive.
니금 노래님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Bye-bye, Mariel.
바이바이.
Okay, 안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
So, you will receive the snacks during live this afternoon from Gegum Dorinim or Gegum Dori Timjangnim. Please distribute, Catherine. You have 2 waffles, 2 corn dog, 1 snacks, and 1 drinks. It's all given by Gegum Dori Timjangnim. Since you are not here during live this afternoon, so you didn't receive the snacks. So, you will receive now the snacks from Space Name. So, ang tawag ana ha kay watermelon salad. Space Name. Please distribute, Catherine.
Space name 감사합니다.
Okay, so students, during live, Kang Nim give you 300 pesos each. Since wala man mo pag live, so karon na mo ihatag ang 300 pesos each. Please distribute, Catherine.
강님 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Lijen.
안녕하세요.
So, Lijen, since you have school today, you're not here during live. So, Victory Nim gives you 1,000 pesos for your allowance and 500 pesos for sari-sari store. You will go with Cherry, with the Villaverna High School student, senior high volunteer students. You understand? And you need to take a video. So, don't worry, kay si Teacher Junyan will take a video for you, for the both of you. Understand? Okay, please receive the 1,500. Pakita ko kung 1,500. Okay.
백철이님 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Victorine. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Criselda. So, Criselda, Ichangunim gives you 500 pesos for your allowance. Allowance na ha? Okay. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요, Tonet.
안녕하세요.
So, Antoinette, since you're not here during live, you have a class?
Yes.
Okay, you have a class. So, Chosong Jin Tim Jangnim gives you 3,000 pesos for your monthly allowance or monthly donation. Please receive.
조성진 팀장님 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Bye-bye.
바이바이.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Rachel.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so nga nung wala ka naka-attend ganina sa monthly donation,
Kay exam week.
exam week ninyo. How's the exam?
Tiring.
Tiring? You aced the exam or not?
Maybe.
Okay, since wala man ka ganina, you will receive tonight your donation. So, 1,000 from Chosung Jin Team Jangnim. Please receive it.
Chosun Jin Tim Jangnim kamsamida.
500 from Kim Yong Sunim. Please receive it.
Kim Yong Sunim kamsamida.
And lastly, 500 from SJ Nim.
SJ Nim kamsamida.
Okay, so you need to perfect your exam. Ha? Study well, Teacher Rachel. Fighting! Bye-bye!
Annyeonghaseyo. So, what is your name? Jonalyn. How old are you? 7. So, I am going to test you with multiplication questions. So, maghatag ko nimo og 10 ka multiplication questions. If makatubag ka, makasulod na ka sa study room. Are you ready? Okay. 6 times 3. 7 times 2. 5 times 3. 9 times 5. 2 times 6. 4 times 3. 8 times 4. 3 times 3. 7 times 7. 4 times 6. So, you have answered the 10 questions correctly. So, congratulations. Thank you. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
What is your name?
Grace.
How old are you?
7.
7. So, today, I'm going to test you with 10 multiplication questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. 8 times 4.
32.
7 times 3.
21.
4 times 4.
16.
6 times 3.
18.
7 times 4.
28.
5 times 3.
15.
2 times 6.
12.
9 times 4.
36.
4 times 3.
12.
8 times 8.
64.
Okay. So, you answered all 10 questions. So, thank you, Grace.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Nabi diriran sa koan, Lungwins. Namalit big school supplies. Kauban din ako kung mama.
Requesting appliances in charge, please proceed to counter 9. Once again, appliances in charge, please proceed to counter 9.
Kaya ko mama. Tulungan ko. Kanin ni among napalets karon. Kulangan pa na. Ni, sa'yo kamalit mo? School supply ang gikamalit. Naglinyan ni siya. Bayad ako. Diba ang galing natin? Sige, may istorya ni mo lang. Saan nila?
Wala kay price.
Thank you, Kaani. Hatag, Ani. Salamat. Ayos. Ako sponsor. Papalit.
Nakapalit sa school supply.
Papalit ng ako'y bata pa nang iwan ako ng aking ama at ay lumuluhan na di kaya di naipon ka sa akin ay may gumulong sabi ng tatay na wag iiyak malungkot ako aking ama. Kung may pagkakataon na mayakap siya at nasabi ko na mahal kita, ama, ang awitin ko'y alay ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal. Mahal kita, o aking ama. Kung may pagkakataon na mayakap siya at nasabi ko na mahal kita, ama, ang awitin ko'y alay ko sa'yo, mahal na mahal. Mahal kita, o aking ama.